Hi, Lily.
Hi, Max.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you.
Good. Are you ready?
Ready for what?
We are going to a cafe.
A cafe? Okay.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Good. Let's go inside.
Okay, let's go.
Here we are.
It's nice here.
Yes, it is nice.
I like this place.
Me too.
What do we do now?
We go to the counter.
Okay, the counter.
Yes, follow me.
I am following you.
Look at the menu.
I see the menu.
What do you want?
I don't know.
That's okay.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Thank you, Max.
You are welcome.
What is on the menu?
Coffee, tea, and juice.
I like coffee.
Okay, what kind of coffee?
What kinds are there?
Black coffee, latte, and cappuccino.
What is a latte?
A latte has milk.
Oh, I see.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I like milk.
Then you can order a latte.
Okay, I want a latte.
Good choice.
Let's order now.
Okay, I am ready.
Say 1 latte, please.
1 latte, please.
Very good.
Thank you.
Now, what size?
What sizes are there?
Small, medium, and large.
I want a small latte.
Okay, say a small latte, please.
A small latte, please.
Perfect.
This is easy.
Yes, it is easy.
I like ordering coffee.
I am happy you like it. Now we pay.
How do we pay?
You can pay with cash or card.
I have a card.
Okay, use your card.
Where do I put the card?
Put it here, on the machine.
Like this?
Yes, like that.
Okay, I did it.
Great job.
That was easy too.
Yes, very easy.
I feel happy.
You are doing great. Now we wait.
How long do we wait?
Just a few minutes.
Okay, I can wait.
Do you smell that?
Yes, it smells so good.
That is the coffee.
I love this smell.
Me too.
I am excited.
I understand. It's exciting.
Yes, very exciting.
Look, our coffee is ready.
Already?
Yes, let's get it. Here is your latte.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
It smells wonderful.
Try it.
Okay, I will try it. It's delicious.
I am happy you like it.
I really like it.
Good. Let's sit down.
Yes, let's sit.
This is a nice table.
Yes, I like it here.
Do you like your coffee?
Yes, I love it.
I am glad.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome, Lily.
I learned a lot today.
What did you learn?
I learned how to order coffee.
Yes, very good.
I learned about sizes too.
That's right.
Small, medium, and large.
Perfect.
I feel more confident now.
You should feel confident.
Thank you, Max.
You are doing amazing.
I want to practice again.
We can practice again soon.
I would like that.
Me too. Did you enjoy your coffee?
Yes, very much.
I am happy to hear that.
What do we do now?
We can go home now.
Okay, let's go.
Did you have fun today?
Yes, I had a lot of fun.
I had fun too.
Thank you for today, Max.
You are welcome, Lily.
See you next time.
See you next time.